Who could that be?
It's here. We got a package.
All right, let's open it up and see.
We got wrapping paper.
Okay.
So we got another wrapping paper.
Whoa, what is that?
It's my Italian treasure box by Family Twist.
Wow.
We got a map of Italy, where we need to go for the treasure hunt. We got Dear Family. Inside the boxes, you can explore different activities to discover Italy.
Okay.
Now let's open this. We've got 1, 2 bags.
Okay.
Oh, nope. 3 and 4. And that's all for today.
So here's everything that comes in your box. First, I want to show you how cool the closure for this box is. It just closes and there's like a magnet, so it snaps. Makes it a really nice, durable box. Everything in this box can be repackaged, repurposed. So the lid to the box is the board game board, and so you'll want to keep that. And you can also keep everything inside the box at all times for a cleaner table. What also comes, so it comes with 4 different kits. The first is the art kit. For the Italian box, that's to make your own mosaic. So you get instructions, you get a template, and some cardboard to put it on. And you get 2 different kinds of mosaic tile, the white and the red. You also get the board game. So here we have the cards. There are, 48 cards for 8 locations, so that's a lot of cards. And then in here are the pieces, and then you get a little glue stick. Over here, we have the cooking lesson. So here we have 3 recipes, the gnocchi, the homemade sauce, and cacio e pepe. And you have a gnocchi maker, which I think is super cool. And Aidan thought it was a brush. And then lastly, you have the learning section. So we got a book about the Colosseum. We got a marker. We got stickers and everything to decorate the binder. This is a real tough binder, which is awesome. And then it comes with, this is the model of the Colosseum, but it comes with all sorts of learning options. Even these bags, they're really, really sturdy and very well crafted, very well made. Everything is locally made and locally sourced. I will definitely reuse these for little pieces or other things like that. Even this would be a good like a Christmas bag, something to put like a candy in or something like that. So all in all, very excited about our Family Treasure Italy box. Keep watching next time for more videos about all of the activities inside the Family Twist Treasure Box.